expectation natin mamaya ay isang distorted na narrative mula sa isang administrasyon na ang pananatili sa pwesto ay nakadepende dun sa disinformation at paglinlang sa mamamayan.
Nakita mo yan guys, sinabi ni Raul. Ganyan na ganyan noon ka-antay Marcos noon. Kung ano sinabi niya noon, mas malupit ito. Kaya abangan nyo sa part 2 ang sasabihin ko. Next clip naman.
The National Police believes that there's a high probability that killing of veteran radio broadcaster Cristobal Mabasa, popularly known as Percy Lapid, was work-related. Lapid was a staunch critic of President Marcos and his predecessor, Rodrigo Duterte. He was shot twice in the head by two armed men on Monday while on his way home to Las Piñas.
Highly probable po na doon po sa kanyang profession na tinitignan. Nakita nga po natin na walang plate number